Good evening and welcome to yet another edition of your favorite style file. हम हैं हाजिर लेकर फैशन और एंटरटेनमेंट के लेटेस्ट हैपनिंग्स. आज की शाम हम लेके आए हैं आपके लिए कुछ फैशन, कुछ कंटेम्प्रेरी फ्यूजन डांस और बॉलीवुड की लेटेस्ट रिलीज राजनीति की एक झलक. और इस शो की शुरुआत करते हैं मर्सिडीज बेंज एक्सप्रेस योर स्टाइल फैशन शो और कंपटीशन से. नेक्स्ट इन लाइन एक मुलाकात अमेरिका की टॉप मॉडल रेना के साथ. Followed by a dance tribute at the 150th birth anniversary celebration of Sri Rabindranath Tagore right here in Dubai. Some more dance to keep your feet tapping the Dubai Dance Festival. और अंत में वो इंटरव्यूज जिनके लिए आप सब बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं. A one-on-one meeting with the stars of Bollywood's latest offering, Rajneeti. So sit back, relax and celebrate this evening with us on High Life Dubai. These days, fashion has indeed found its place under the sun. Any high-profile launch anywhere in the world likes to piggyback on fashion to deliver that essential ingredient of oomph. So obviously, when one of the world's finest cars is launching its new edition, they would surely like to add the element of fashion. And we are taking you to get the glimpse of just that. Was the Express Your Style Fashion Design Competition, which launched the Mercedes-Benz E-Class Cabriolet in Dubai, featuring the creations of 20 top designers in a high-energy catwalk show. These were judged on the basis of most original design for clothing that was inspired by the newest member of Mercedes-Benz family, the E-Class Cabriolet. And interestingly, all three winners belong to ESMED Dubai, which is the UAE's campus of the oldest French fashion university in the world.
Mercedes-Benz was always sponsoring fashion events all around the world, like New York, Berlin, Miami, Paris, and now we are getting more and more into fashion also here in Dubai. And this idea came because we wanted to promote the young fashion designers here in the region. We partnered with ESMOD University because they are one of the best universities in the world. And with Harper's Bazaar and Gargosh are also part of our partners.
Well, it was quite interesting. There was lots of elegance. Most of the designs fitted the competition and the concept, especially the one who won, who really were fitting into the Mercedes inspiration, summer feeling, and especially femininity, elegant, and a very high level of finishing.
To take inspiration from a car to design an outfit is quite a challenge, but I must say all contestants pulled it off brilliantly. Like I always say, there is no dearth of talent in Dubai.
Well, the first thing is that it had to be inspired by the next, the new Cabriolet convertible Mercedes car. The ones that we have selected are creative. You don't see them anywhere. The first one is very, very creative. It's not something that you see every day in a shop. And it's to me, it represents totally what you could find in a very high-end contemporary designer in Europe. So definitely this one is a clear winner from a French Fashion University ESMOD student.
get to meet talented people in Dubai, I make sure you get to meet them too. Most of you who follow glamour on your telesets would have heard or seen the legendary reality show America's Next Top Model. So when we heard that a recent season's runner-up was in Dubai, we grabbed the chance to meet her. Reena Hine was here in Dubai to do an exclusive feature with the young avant-garde fashion company Symphony Style as they presented their inaugural autumn-winter campaign for new luxury multi-brand boutique, which is set to open at Dubai Mall soon. The event was hosted at one of the most exclusive addresses in Dubai, the very exclusive Armani Hotel's Italian fine dining eatery, Ristorante. You came second, and you're getting such fantastic opportunities. Did you want to, obviously become the first one, or you are happy and very optimistic about the position that you are in?
At the time, I wanted nothing more than to be first. You want to win, you always want to be the best, but I'm very happy I didn't win because I have had so many amazing opportunities like Symphony. I couldn't be more grateful. And a lot of times with America's Next Top Model, the winners don't have the most successful careers as the second, third, fourth, and even fifth place girls get. And I have received more bookings and more jobs than any of the other girls as far as right now. And I am very, very happy with second place.
Tell us about your association with Symphony.
Symphony, they saw me on the show and they liked my attitude, my personality, and my striking look. So they contacted the CW, who contacted me, and they chose me to be the face of their fall winter campaign. Their store will be their grand opening will be in the Dubai Mall, and I couldn't be more excited. It is a lovely, lovely boutique, and I'm very excited.
So now there's one more reason to hit Dubai Mall with a loaded wallet. अब लेते हैं एक छोटा सा commercial break और मिलते हैं अगले मोड़ पर. Coming up after the break is a treat for all dance enthusiasts, a dance tribute for Sri Rabindranath's 150th birth anniversary celebrations, followed by an evening of contemporary dance with the Dubai Dance Festival.